Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to set up EndNote Online in 2 simple steps. First, add the Harvard UL referencing style to your EndNote Online account. This ensures your citations match the required format. And 2, install the Cite while you write toolbar in Microsoft Word. This lets you insert references directly into your written assignments. Adding the Harvard UL referencing style to your EndNote Online account ensures your references are formatted correctly for assignments using the Harvard UL referencing style. First, make sure you're connected to the UL EduRoam wireless network. Log in to EndNote Online at myendnoteweb.com. In EndNote Online, click the Format tab. Select Bibliography. In the Bibliographic Style drop-down, look for Harvard UL 2016. If this is not listed, click Select Favorites. Scroll down to find Harvard UL 2016. Click to highlight it, then select Copy to Favorites. Harvard UL 2016 should then appear in your list of available styles. If the Harvard UL 2016 style is still not appearing, ensure you're connected to the UL EduRoam network. In EndNote Online, go to Options, Subscription. Check that Web of Science appears under Account, as this indicates you have an active subscription. Now for the second step, installing the Cite while you write toolbar in Word. This allows you to cite references from your EndNote Online library directly into your Word documents. Cite while you write for EndNote Online currently only works with the Word desktop application. To install it, log into your EndNote Online account by going to myendnoteweb.com. Click the Format tab at the top of the page. Select the Cite while you write plugin. Choose the correct download for your device. For Windows, download the exe file and run it. For Mac, download the DMG file and follow the installation prompts. When the installation has finished, open Word. You should now see an EndNote tab in the Word ribbon. If it doesn't appear, restart Word or check your add-ins by going to File, Options, Add-ins, Manage COM Add-ins, Go. Then ensure Cite while you write is checked. Finally, you need to add your EndNote Online login details to connect it with your account. To do this, select the EndNote tab, open Preferences, select Application, add your EndNote Online login details, and click OK. If you previously installed the EndNote desktop application, you will already have the Cite while you write toolbar installed in Word. You can check this by opening Microsoft Word and looking for the EndNote tab in the ribbon at the top of the window. You can switch to using EndNote Online using EndNote Preferences, open the Application tab, then switch to EndNote Online. Then add your EndNote Online login details. Once you've added the referencing style and installed the toolbar, you're ready to start using EndNote Online. If you have any questions about using EndNote Online in UL, contact us here in the library.